English Gujarati to be equals.
હોવું.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more resources at www.synapse-lingo.com and let's make Gujarati click. Today we'll master English Gujarati to be. Keep your ears smiling, your tongue ready, and your confidence turned up. Your goal today. You'll hear, repeat, and use the core forms in real mini-scenes. Quick, simple, memorable. Base form. Be equals.
હોવું.
I am equals.
હું છું.
You are equals.
તમે છો.
He is equals.
તી છે.
She is equals.
તી છે.
It is equals.
તી છે.
We are equals.
અમે છીએ.
They are equals.
તેઓ છે.
Laugh and learn. Tiny sketch. Let's act out a silly scene to cement the forms. You play along and repeat after me. You peek into the fridge. There it is. It is equals.
તી છે.
You point to yourself with heroic music. I am ready.
હું છું.
You hype your friend. You are a star.
તમે છો.
You spot your friend's brother. He is the DJ.
તી છે.
You spot the winner. She is the champ.
તી છે.
Your group huddles. We are unstoppable.
અમે છીએ.
The crowd arrives. They are here.
તેઓ છે.
Moral of the sketch. To be awesome is a choice. To be equals.
હોવું.
Call and repeat drills. Say it out loud with me. Your voice is your superpower. Be.
હોવું.
Repeat 2x. I am.
હું છું.
Repeat 2x. You are.
તમે છો.
Repeat 2x. He is.
તી છે.
Repeat 2x. She is.
તી છે.
Repeat 2x. It is.
તી છે.
Repeat 2x. We are.
અમે છીએ.
Repeat 2x. They are.
તેઓ છે.
Repeat 2x. Mini dialogues. Tiny lines, big confidence. Echo each line after the pause. A. Are you ready? B. Yes, we are.
અમે છીએ.
A. Who is at the door? B. He is.
તી છે.
A. Where's the ticket? B. Here it is.
અહીં તી છે.
A. Who won? B. She is the winner.
તી છે.
A. Who are the volunteers? B. They are.
તેઓ છે.
A. And you? B. I am new here.
હું અહીં નવો છું.
A. You are very kind.
તમે બહુ દયાળુ છો.
Culture tip. Politeness matters. Get this right and people will love your Gujarati. Use.
તમે છો.
For polite or plural, you, and remember Gujarati often uses.
છે.
For, is, are. Pro tip. When pointing out a thing or person.
તી છે.
Works for he, she, it depending on context. Speed quiz. Answer out loud. I'll reveal the Gujarati after a beat. Q. Say, B. A.
હોવું.
Q. Say, I am. A.
હું છું.
Q. Say, you are. A.
તમે છો.
Q. Say, he is. A.
તી છે.
Q. Say, she is. A.
તી છે.
Q. Say, it is. A.
તી છે.
Q. Say, we are. A.
અમે છીએ.
Q. Say, they are. A.
તેઓ છે.
Challenge. One breath chain. Ready for a fun sprint? Say them all in one breath, then breathe. B.
હોવું.
I am.
હું છું.
You are.
તમે છો.
He is.
તી છે.
She is.
તી છે.
It is.
તી છે.
We are.
અમે છીએ.
They are.
તેઓ છે.
Wrap up. You crushed it. Keep these forms on your tongue all day. Thanks for listening. Practice your to be everywhere you go. Be.
હોવું.
I am.
હું છું.
You are.
તમે છો.
He, she, it is.
તી છે.
We are.
અમે છીએ.
They are.
તેઓ છે.
For transcripts, flashcards, and more fun lessons, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.